When I wake up in the morning and I pull back the curtain and I look out of a 3.5 metre wide sliding door and a 2.8 metre wide fixed pane, and the room's beautiful warm and there's a deer in the field, I'm like, this is ridiculous. I flipping love this. And so, actually it's been a fantastic kind of vindication of the kind of the idea that you can create a house that has all this glazing, that has this connection, that has this sort of smart side to it, the louvers and the smart house system. And it's kind of worked, which is nice. You think it's going to work, you do all the sums and you do it all, and it's really delivered. It's been an enormous joy, and I have to say, living here with the views and the size of the glazing and the functionality and the comfort, it genuinely makes me smile pretty much every day. Which, and without sounding smug, I flipping love it.